Dear students, question number 33 of part test 2 is a 2-mark question from design of steel structures, topic beam. In this question, a simply supported beam of span 5 meter is given and it is made up of an ISMB section of Fe410 grade steel and it is subjected to 30 kilonewton of dead load plus 30 kilonewton of live load, it is, and both of them are fracture load, and section is stiff against bearing. So it is asked that what is the section modulus required for beam to resist given loading as per IS 800-2007. Now here the keyword is IS 800-2007. Some students might do the mistake that instead of taking ZP they might go with ZE, and without this factor of safety they will be getting different answers. But here we have to use limit state, which according to design of beam says that ZP or plastic modulus of section required is moment to be resisted into Fy upon gamma m naught, where Fy is yielding strength of steel. So Fy is 254 grade 410 steel, that is approximately 0.63 times, and m comes out as Bd square WL square by 8, W is 30 plus 30 60 into L square, that is 5 square divided by 8, since it is a simply supported beam, which comes out as 187.5 kilonewton meter or 187.5 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm into 250, and gamma m naught is factor of safety, which is mentioned as for gamma m, for if we are taking strength against yielding, gamma m naught is 1.1 as per specifications of IS 800-2007. So ZP comes out as 825,000 mm cube. Please note that we are using here plastic section, assuming that our section is fully plastic and it is able to show the property of plastic section. When we used to talk about IS 800 in 1984, we were either talking about this shape or when your yielding strength is less than Fy. But right now, this is what we talk in IS 800-2007. That's why we are using ZP with some factor of safety to get the answer. Thank you.